And the race is on Gondor. And on the outside, rushing up strike for Socialeros. Ravishing Rapi running by the rest. Martipans fly, Aday fly. Gondor by some 2-length strike force. Socialeros, Martipans, Ravishing Rapi, and Fly Aday Flies running at the tail of the field. Gondor by some 2 lengths, followed by Socialeros, and strike force down on the inside. Ravishing Rapi, rushing up from the outside. Martipans and Fly Aday Fly. Rounding the far turn, Gondor, Socialeros, Ravishing Rapi's racing in third is Martipans down on the inside. Fly Aday Fly, strike force, racing towards the final turn and into the long Santana stretch run with Socialeros by the Gondor down on the inside. Fly Aday Fly, Ravishing Rapi's Martipans, strike force. Socialeros, Gondor is Martipans, Fly Aday Fly down on the inside. Ravishing Rapi, Socialeros, Gondor once against Martipans, and finally it's going to be Socialeros. Close Gondor, number 1 Martipans, close for fourth and fifth between Ravishing Rapi, Fly Aday.